I've been in the business now for 12 years. I did my hairdressing qualification, did my level 2, level 3 with ISA training, and then went on to do my barbering level 3 qualification as well. Over the last 12 years, I've entered a lot of competitions. During that time, I've been awarded 36 awards in hairdressing and barbering. Off the back of that, I've had companies approach me to see if I can get involved as an ambassador for their company to promote them worldwide. I'm currently an ambassador for Mataki Scissors, Dear Barber Products, ISA Training and British Master Barbers.
Darren has always been really passionate from when he was a foundation apprenticeship learner doing his hairdressing at 16. He's been a true ambassador for vocational qualifications. As part of his passion for the industry, always comes back to us as a training provider and is willing to help where possible to inspire our youngsters.
I really feel that it's almost my duty to give back all that experience that I've gained and make sure that the next generation of barbers, the standard, is almost higher than what we've got now. If I can do anything and play my small part in helping this trade progress and get better, then that's something that I feel strongly about.